how's the ecosystem as seed and pre-seed changed over the last decade and a half?
There's been enormous change since when I started back in 2010. When I started, there were multi-stage funds doing seed, but they're writing very small checks. So they're writing 25, 50K checks purely as options to see if they can invest in those companies or be able to track
almost
them
like
in the
scout
future.
checks.
And what happened was the multi-stage funds felt like, okay, we're missing a lot of these deals that we wrote these smaller checks into, and we have the strongest brands in the ecosystem. We should just take our ownership up front. And it's much cheaper for us to take our ownership up front than it is to do it at a later stage. So if we're going to do a seed stage deal, we should try and own 10 to 20% of it and write like a $1 to $5 million check. And they didn't care as much about valuations as the seed funds did, because for them, if it was 10 million, 20 million, 30 million, 50 million, it didn't really matter because it's so much cheaper than it was at the later stages. And so all these multi-stage funds, I'd say starting in 2015, 2016, started writing meaningful seed checks.